live here.
Why are you filming?
What?
Why are you filming?
Why?
Yeah, sure. Come with me. I'm just asking you why.
Oh, okay. Just because I film the police.
It just seems sad.
Does it seem sad?
Yeah, a little bit.
All right.
Like, what do you do for a living? Other than this. This is what you do for a living.
This is what I do for a living, man. Check the news. You're gonna be a video pretty soon.
Pretty soon.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not know this happened.
See here, put it back on me. See, here's the thing. I'm a person for the people, right?
What?
I'm a person for the people against you because you're a fucking TMZ guy, right? You're the people that catch the things that are new now.
Here, go into this one.
I'm somebody against you, right? Because you're somebody that captures the now. You're somebody that captures the things that are important to now. F you, man.
Oh, okay.
F you, and you're a fucking news.
You, dude.
Yo, f you, man.
F you.
F you, man.
Hey,
okay.
You're gonna ride back with Eric. Hey.
Eat a f***ing dick.
Hey, dude. Hey, enough. They're all walk away. Let them go.
All right,
walk away.
I'm just telling you now. You and your news.
All right.
You and your news are walk away.
Drunk ass. Stupid ass hat. What's up, man?
Hi, how are you, man?
Doing good. Thanks, Sarge.
Yo speaking Spanish.
Poquito más.
You're Instagram or no?
No.
Can I take a picture?
Drunk?
So if he's going to continue doing this, then we probably are going to be able
Yeah, they helped me out with that one. Thanks. I mean, you know, dude wasn't like scary or anything, but whatever. These guys did help. Spider people.
Oh,
We're
yeah.
here, Spider people.
What's up?
The same in the world. Friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
Hell yeah, dude. That's what's up. Nice. Oh, is that him? It's me again. I'm everywhere. I'm everywhere around here.
Oh, my dog.
I ain't shaking your hand. Get the away from me.
Interview. Ask him
Fucking
questions.
idiot.
Ask him questions.
Oh no, this guy's a fucking idiot.
Whoa, swear.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got me involved with police.
I got you involved?
You got me involved.
No, you talk shit to me and straight to my camera, man.
Yeah,
Just
swear.
because I was recording the police and you had a fucking problem.
No,
with
you
it.
had your shit involved. I talked to you. You talked to the police, man.
What happened?
This guy's just talking shit.
I'm not talking shit to you.
Yeah, he's talking
You were talking shit, man. It's gonna be a video.
Swear.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Damn,
I don't
we
need
got
your
3
permission.
cameras.
For your 300 followers, man. Go ahead.
Anyways, you good? You good now or what?
I'm chilling.
All right.
You alright?
You good?
Yeah, I'm chilling.
All right, man.
Alright, let's go.
Yep. Cool.
Smells great.
Oh my god! Thank you! Oh my god! That was a kid. Do it again. Wait, oh my god! This is a fucking perfect. Wait, I want to do it again! I need to do it again!
Do it again. Go for it.
I want to do it again.
You're live. There's 100 people watching.
Okay, go. Yeah!
Oh, what?
Okay,
This is called 1920s. You look mad, dude. What are you doing? Why you look all mad?
Come on. What are you filming?
Everything. Downtown.
Hold up.
What?
Oh shit.
You good?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, bro. What's up, man?
Yo.
Uh-oh.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, what's going on?
Oh, just checking things out. What are you up to?
Just working, just curious why you're recording all this.
Oh, okay. I've just been walking around downtown.
Oh,
See
you're
what's
good.
going on.
You're not necessarily doing anything wrong, I'm just more curious on the situation.
Oh, yeah. Just walking around, checking things out, man.
Nice. Well, enjoy your night.
Yeah, you too, dude.
Hey, we're back for you.
Can we take a picture with that?
Yeah. What's up?
Are you taking pictures?
You guys are live right now.
Oh yeah, we live and directly.
You guys get all excited. That's what's up.
The hat store.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Don't play with us.
Cool.
Hold on, I need to light them.
Oh, she likes the light.
Hold on, come in. Let's take a picture.
All right, yeah. Take a picture in the light.
Wait, I want to mention this. Yeah.
Hold on, you guys, I'm so done.
Dude, this light is so good. What the f? Where do I buy this?
Cool. Yeah. Yeah, you guys have a good one.